Hey guys, Ethan here with Family Handyman. Say, whenever you're doing a landscaping project, it's always important to take care of your most important tools, your hands. On a last landscaping project I did, I was ecstatic to have a pair of these Duratin Flex Hestra work gloves. The palms of these gloves is made of Duratin. It's a flexible and 10 times more abrasion-resistant material than leather. The back side of the gloves is made of a nice breathable woven fabric. This fabric's great for keeping your hands warm in the chilly morning or breathing in the afternoon sun. While pushing around rocks and gravel, I really loved having this Velcro hook and loop cuff closure. It's great because it doesn't let any pebbles slide up inside the glove, but holds them snugly all day long. I was pleasantly surprised by the dexterity of these gloves. I was able to rifle through my toolbox, pick up individual pencils or screws, the whole time forgetting I even had gloves on. If there's one improvement to be made, it would be to make a waterproof version of these. But setting all that aside, the durability, dexterity, and comfort make the Hestra Duratin Flex work glove Family Handyman approved. For more products we've tested and approved, like these gloves, come visit us at familyhandyman.com.